How to make vertical text in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs. So if in Google Docs, in normal text, we not able to make the vertical, because there is no any setting or option to make vertical the normal text. So for what, if you want to make vertical text, so we need to use the drawing option in Google Docs. So what you need to do, just go to the insert, and here you need to use the drawing option. Just go to the new, and for text we need to take the text box, just drag like this. Now you can type your text. Okay, now you can adjust the space. Now just click on that text and go to the align and make it in center. Also you can make the, like, you can make the bold text, you can change the text color. Okay, so now what you need to do, for vertical we need to just click on that box, text box, and here you can see the dot option. Before that we need to click the shift key and hold it, enter the shift key and hold it. Now you need to click on that dot, click and hold, and now we can make it vertical. Okay, okay, so it is done. Now just go to the save and close. Now just click on it and make sure you have select this option, or you can select any of. And now you can able to move this vertical text anywhere. If you want to minimize the size, click on this corner dot, hold it and move it for minimize and maximize size. Okay, if you want to edit it, just double click on it, the drawing will be open. Now you can edit from here and just save and close, then the changes will be updated here. Okay, so that is how you can make vertical text in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.